Wagwan, my people. You don't know, says the girl Sunshine repping for Jambox 876. And you don't know, people. I'm just asking you something simple. Go over to our page, like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna ask you, just join the Jambox family now. Alright. I'm here in the Sunshine City of Portmore. I'm gonna say, I walk up on the. Him clean, when you can't see him face, it's like this time man I say, no face, no trace. But guess what? I'm gonna make him introduce himself.
Yeah man, King Ferno man, yeah. Young upcoming artist though. Yeah man, when I sickest out here do it man, no joke man. Y'all is in a heavy state. Ask them how them emulate, them a featherweight man, a heavyweight, but them a lucky place. Style where them have a renovate man, they make them lungs cannot ventilate. Tell them not test my feet. No say me have some deadly ways man, they bust in a them y'all sexy face. Pull up that. Man, they bust in a them y'all sexy face, but them a lucky place. Yeah man, branch here.
Alright. You know, hear right to say no. From Jambox 876. Shensia or Spice, would you smash or pass?
Pass man, is it?
From both of them?
Yeah.
Smash or pass for me?
You're married man, yeah.
Sometimes you have to draw them out. Yeah, married. I'm like that. Loyalty is key. Yeah, you don't know people. I could have there Portmore Mall without stopping at the best barber shop in the mall. And you don't know me, I forgot to one of the big barber. Footer wagwan.
There I know, you don't know. They're on the work as usual. Where you going with?
Out of Spice and Shensia, would you smash or pass?
Either Spice or Shensia, who me that smash. Spice all day man, Shensia can go on.
You don't like browning?
Well, browning is not really my thing still. What? But, you know, if I say, yeah, I know that's a browning, but everybody have them personal preference, you understand? I don't know, Spice a Portmore artist from long time and things, so you don't know, say. You see me? We know from long time, so.
Alright, so what is the name, Mama?
My name is Shay.
So, Outer Cartel and Valiant, would you smash or pass?
Well, I would smash Cartel because I look up to him and my inspiration that when I go through a hard time, can listen to music, them are look back on certain circumstances when I've been through and look on my life. But Valiant, boy, him have a flow there. When him say, girl I fly in and I say she up. Yeah, mama, that's much Valiant. Mama, I'm not telling no lie. I'm not telling no lie about that.
Girl a fly in and say she wanna me. You hear that? And that she wants. Alright. People must say, I see this girl, right? She a glow. I say, I wonder if a Sunshine she name too, but then a Sunshine she name, But because of the Sunshine City, over here just full up of the people them that glow and go on with a bag of things. Just introduce yourself to the people.
Hi, my name is Shayna. Nice to meet y'all.
Yeah, man. So, alright, Outer, Valiant, and Vibes Cartel. Which one would you smash or pass?
I can't smash Valiant. Valiant talk about too much obia. Definitely Vibes Cartel, not because I music, but because I like him as a person. Valiant, no, too much obia.
Alright, you heard a fair opinion. You heard from alright. Wagwan.
There, there.
How did you go and feel?
I go on good so far now. I give thanks for life and everything,
Alright, my boss. So out of Shensia and Spice, which one would you smash? And which one did I say, pass?
Shensia.
Why Shensia though?
Because she look very attractive and so forth and everything, yeah.
Alright, the boss, lovely, attractive girl. Alright, my friend. Introduce yourself to the people and my boss.
You don't know color the barber, you know?
Alright, color. Shensia or Spice, which one would you smash or pass?
I go for Spice. The other Spice.
Alright, the boss say with the other Spice. I guess over here so full up of the shorty, hey, short. Alright. Outer Valiant and Cartel, would you smash or pass?
You don't know, say, me's a Gaza girl from long time. Say the thing I gotta be Addy.
Alright, you say Addy.
Addy have him head pan him body, so you know. And I like to there's a big side. Valiant thing can't go on, you know, but you see Addy have him head pan him body.
Alright, you say Addy. Who best to ask this question than your friend? Outer Shensia and Spice. Which one would you smash? Which one you do? Make she go on.
Well, Spice.
Alright, him say Spice. So you don't know anywhere the nice clean man them there? Sunshine I go find them. Introduce yourself to the people them.
Lance.
Alright, Lance. So here we go on now. Shensia or Spice, would you smash or pass?
Well, when I really like techno side, I like the two artists them.
The boss like the two of them. Yeah. Alright, what is best than being in the middle? My security tight right now. When I can't trouble Jambox 876 host, my security tight. And I'm here with
DJ Shavdan
and
J Shop.
Alright, so out of Shensia and Spice, which one would you smash or pass?
Sunshine.
Alright, you?
Shenyang.
Alright, Shensia! Alright.
Give them something. Ready? Still a trial from pain and trauma. Memories in a me head, fuck karma. Just dead, no love, just drama. Reap what your fucking soul like farmer. Me still a trial from the pain them hurt me. She fuck on you, them gyal are so thirsty. Lick your cheap clothes clean out dirty.
Pull up that!
She fuck on you, them gyal are so thirsty. Lick your cheap clothes clean out dirty. Heart fuck up, fuck love. Life fuck up me G. Right now dog, me not trust friend. Never know me woulda say this, me not trust them. Give them your last, them still want your life and human being so corrupt is a new trend. Me have to stay far from me human. Them loyalty cheap, just see a few grand.
Pull up that!
And you don't know people, so I buck up on my baby sitter daughter. Big up yourself. Introduce yourself to the people.
Hello, my name is Ashley.
Alright, Ashley. Out of Valiant and Vibes Cartel, which one you'd a smash and we'd a pass?
Smash Vibes Cartel, pass Valiant.
Alright, so I'm find a next barber shop. And one thing about them barbers here, well sharp, well cut, and ready for anything. Introduce yourself to the people.
Yeah, you know, so I mean, I'm Usher, the baddest barber in a Portmore, man. You see me? Ever clean, ever fresh. Always up, you see me? I say? Otherwise known as the artist, the knockist, you see me? Because I do music and everything, you see me? Whole heap of beer thing I go on, you see understand? So, in 19, man, you see me?
So Sensei or Spice, would you smash or pass?
Alright, you know, two artists, two bad artists, you know, Sensei and Spice, you know. But you know, you don't want the two of them do a little show like Calabar and see what, you know. Do something more, you know, because sometimes the critics good, you know, but they have to just prove themselves to see the best, you see me? Best out of the best. That's how we see things at the artists, you see me? So, yeah.
Wagwan, my people, let them know say the girl Sunshine, your new host, representing for Jambox 876. I don't know, people. May I ask you to like, share, and subscribe, and be a part of our Jambox family. Big up Snooty Dan right behind the camera. Yeah, big up you.
Yo, Energy God representing for Jambox 876 with my good friend Smitty Dan.